If you need help with an Epic Games account, payments, or a technical problem, the fastest way to reach support is through the Epic Games Help Center. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to chat with Epic Games support, how to submit a request if live chat isn't available, and a simple tip that can increase your chances of seeing the chat option. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and support guides. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com/help. This is the official Epic Games support page, and it's where all contact options start. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Contact Us. That will take you into the support flow, where you can choose the problem you need help with. Next, sign into your Epic Games account. You'll usually need to log in before you can continue, because Epic needs to match your request to your account. After signing in, you'll see a list of issue categories. Select the one that best matches your problem, such as account, payments, or technical issue. Choosing the right category is important because it helps route your request to the correct support team. After that, fill in the details about your issue. Be clear and specific. Explain what happened, what device you're using, and any error messages you saw. The more useful information you provide, the easier it is for support to understand the issue and respond faster. Once everything looks good, click Submit. Now, depending on your issue and support availability, you may see a live chat option. If it appears, click it to start chatting with support directly. Keep in mind that live chat only shows during support hours, so if you don't see it right away, that doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. It often just means chat is not available at that moment. If live chat does not show up, Epic Games will usually send you email support instead. In that case, your request becomes a ticket, and you'll get a reply in your email once support reviews it. So make sure to check the email address linked to your Epic account, including your inbox and spam folder, so you don't miss the response. Here's a helpful tip if you're trying to get the live chat option to appear. Choose account or login issues when possible, because those categories are more likely to show chat availability. It's not guaranteed, but it can improve your chances depending on the type of support Epic is offering at the time. And that's it. To chat with Epic Games support, go to the Help page, click Contact Us, sign in, choose your category, fill out the form, and look for live chat if it's available. If not, wait for the email reply from the support ticket. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials.